I was at my ancestral village enjoying the summer holidays. My grandfather, who was then in his 80s, were with me. At some juncture, I said, can we walk back to a place where my uncle used to stay? The distance between two locations is around 18 kilometers. My grandfather initially said, hey, no, it would be too much to do so. Well, I kept on pursuing and insisting. So that day, in the evening, before we go to bed, he told me, let's do it tomorrow. So we woke up early. Around 6 o'clock in the morning, we started walking from point A towards our destination, the point B. Well, initial few kilometers, I would say 3-4 kilometers, were an enjoyable journey because I was young, 15-16 years old. And at that point in time, you have a lot of energy. My grandfather was a man in his 80s, so obviously he would feel tired. But he was a man full of experience. He was a man full of patience and perseverance. He knows the principles of compounding efforts. So by 6-7 kilometers, I said, Grandpa, let's give it up. I'm not going to continue further. Well, my grandfather knew that we have reached at a point of no return. In the sense that we can't go back. If we have to go back, then we again have to go back 8, 9, 10 kilometers. So instead of going back, let's carry forward and continue for remaining 9-10 kilometers and reach at point B. Ultimately, at the end of the day, we reached our destination. It was the most happiest moment of my life because it revealed to me that I can be a long distance athlete. I can run long distance races, or I can be a long distance walker, because athletics was the only sports that my financial situation could have afford for me. And rightfully so, later on I became an athlete. Well, later that day in the evening, my grandfather told me, look, whenever you are on a success journey, you don't have to look back. Once you start your journey, then always look forward. It's like climbing a hill. When you are climbing the hill, you continue to look at the tip of the hill. But at times you feel like retracting back. Never do so, because you need to climb all the way to the top. Success is often few steps away from you. It is often few steps away. But those last mile steps are the critical ones, because it is at that point you are dominated by the thought of retreat and not by the thought of overcoming the obstacles. So we have to train our mind. We have to train our thought process that once you start a journey, no matter what happens, I'm going to complete the journey. That's when you achieve success. So as my grandfather said, climb all the way to the top. Success is often few steps away from you. It is just those few steps you need to cover with a courage, persistence, determination, perseverance, and with a patience, with a sense of calmness with you. That is the way to achieve the success. Thank you, Grandpa.